How to integrate Zoho Expense and Zoho Books. Want your expense reports to flow directly into your accounting? Let's integrate Zoho Expense with Zoho Books step by step. So first, log into Zoho Books. So once you're signed into your account, hover your mouse at the top right of your screen and you'll find Zoho Expense under Finance app. So click on this and this will take you here. So, if you're new to Zoho Expense, you can go ahead and proceed with an account using your Zoho Books account. So, with that, all of the expenses reflected on your Zoho Books would be reflected on your Zoho Expense. And as for me, I have set that up. And that is how to integrate Zoho Expense and Zoho Books.